is equal to tan inverse a plus bx. This math, right? I told you it is as it is, okay? Or you write down y is equal to tan inverse. You see, you go for dividing by a. Then 1 plus bx by a, b by a minus what? X. Is it? Actually, I have divided by
Yes, sir.
a, both numerator and denominator. In the formula of tangent, you see always 1 is in the denominator, not in the numerator. So what should we do? Y is equal to cot inverse b by a minus x by 1 plus b by a into x. Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now let x equals to tan theta. Let x equals to tan theta. So we are getting y equals to cot inverse. For x, you have to take tan theta. B by a minus tan theta by 1 plus, oh, you know what is happening here? Please try to understand. It is b by a and it is minus x. Then what will you do? Let me know. It is b by a, okay? And it is tan theta. Then what will you do? Let me know. Can you do it? Talk to me. Can you do it?
No, sir.
Okay, not a matter. You see, or y is equal to cot inverse. You write down b by a is equal to tan, suppose alpha, and this is tan x. X equals to tan theta. Now 1 plus tan alpha tan theta. What I have done here? We have done b by a is equal to tan alpha and x is equal to tan theta. They have been let tan theta. Okay. Now we get y is equal to cot inverse tan of what? Alpha minus theta.
Alpha minus beta.
That day I told you that it can be converted cot inverse cot. Okay. Pi by 2 minus alpha minus theta. Can you remember, please?
Yes, sir.
That is y is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha plus theta. Now we can write here y equals to pi by 2. What is alpha? Alpha is tan inverse b by a. Tan inverse b by a. And what is theta? Theta equals to tan inverse x, right? Now dy by dx, it is 0. It is no x there, 0. And it is 1 by 1 plus x square. Can you remember that I wrote the answer as by? Can you please remember? Talk to me.
G sir.
Going to question number 6, math of different dimension, fully and fully, are of different type. So please pay attention. Next question. Yesterday, I completed question number 5. Six one. Y is equal to sine inverse. Write down sine inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square. You really don't have any other option. Here you see, suppose if it is root over 1 minus sine square theta, then we can easily get cos theta. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Or if we have this type 1 minus cos square theta, then we can easily get sine theta. So you have option to let it by sine theta or cos theta as by x. Okay, so this type of math where there is root over something, you will always let x equals to sine theta or cos theta. Okay, x equals to sine theta. So you put the value x equals to sine theta 2 sine theta root over 1 minus sine square theta. Talk to me. That means we are getting here sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta. Interesting fact is that if we let here cos theta, we'll get the same. Okay, that is sine inverse equals to what? Sine 2 theta. Sine will be omitted, so we are left with 2 theta. So theta equals to what? 2 sine inverse x. Is it? Now you are told here to find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to what? 2 sine inverse x. 2 by root over 1 minus. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now going to question number 2. We have in question number 2, in question number 2, we have sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Number 2, we have y equals to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. 3x minus 4x cube. What will you do? Let x equal to sine theta. Then what you are getting here? I am going to let because it is sine inverse. So we'll get at a time sine. Okay. If we let cosine, then it will be 2 or 3 lines more. But the math will be done. Sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Can you please let me know what is the formula inside the bracket?
Sine 3 theta.
Sine 3 theta.
Sine 3 theta.
Sine inverse sine 3 theta equals to what? 3 theta equals, what is the value of theta from here? Theta equals to sine inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to 3 by root over 1 minus x square. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now going to question number 3. Question number 3. Sine inverse, important math. Y is equal to sine inverse 2ax 2ax root over 1 minus a square x square. This is the math. What will you do? You forget a. Okay, that is, we can write here ax equals to sine theta. Write down ax equals to sine theta. So theta equals to sine inverse x, right? So we can write y equals to sine inverse, okay, 2ax. So ax equals to sine theta. So we can write 2 sine theta. Am I right? What is the value of ax? You see, ax equals to sine theta. Now, root over, here it is 1 minus ax whole square. So can I write at a time 1 minus sine square theta? You please try to understand. Ax whole square, right? If ax equals to sine theta, is a square will be sine square theta. Now it is just to maintain the formalities. Sine inverse 2 sine theta, and it is cos theta equals to what? Sine inverse sine inverse sine 2 theta. So we are getting only 2 theta. What is theta? Theta is sine inverse ax. Now find dy by dx. You have to find now dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, this is 2, it is 2, 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square d by dx ax. Talk to me if we have failed to understand. What is the, this is 2, this is 2. What is the formula of sine inverse x? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So what is x here? X is ax. So it is not only x, so it is to be differentiated again, and I have done it. You see, it is 2a, and it is root over 1 minus a square x square. Talk to me. All of you.
Yes, sir.
G, sir.
Next math number 4. Y equal to cos inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square. It is cosine, so let x equals to cos theta. But if you let x equals to sin theta, the math will be done also. Okay, do it. Now it is your turn. Can you do it? Cos
Yes.
inverse 2 cos theta root over 1 minus cos square theta. Right? That means cos inverse 2 cos theta, it is sin theta. You see, always we are getting the same math, same pattern. So cosine inverse, it is sin 2 theta. That is 2 theta. That is 2 theta equals to what? Cosine inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 2 root over 1 minus x square. Cos theta, cos inverse, there is minus, okay? As it is co, so it is minus. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go to the next math. Question number 5. Y is equal to tan inverse root over 1 plus x square 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Now you just let me know. Suppose, okay, suppose you have let x equals to sin theta. There is no formula 1 plus sin square theta. If you take cos theta, there is no formula 1 plus cos square theta. It is tan theta. So you let x equals to tan theta, then you will get a formula. Let x equals to tan theta. X equals to tan theta. Okay, so carry on. We are getting here tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the formula of 1 plus tan square theta?
Sec theta.
So can you write sec theta minus 1 by tan theta? Even after that, this math is hard to calculate. So what will you do? You'll convert into sine and cosine. So do it. Tan inverse formula, sine theta and cos theta. Carry on. Now, it is what? Sec theta equals to what? 1 by cos theta minus 1. It is sine theta by cos theta. right? Now you see y is equal to tan inverse. It can be written like this: 1 minus cos theta by it is sin theta. And you did a lot of maths on this part. Do it. What is the formula? What is to do here? You did a lot of maths on this. Now you have forgot that, I know. Not a matter. 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to what? 2 sin square theta by 2. And it is sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta by 2 cosine theta by 2. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
And you should not forget this pattern. Tan inverse 2 will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator. And we are getting here this omitted. So it is what? Sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2. At a time, we can write down tan theta by 2. Is it? So y is equal to theta by 2. That means what is theta equals to what? Theta equals to tan inverse x, right? Theta by 2 means what? Half into theta. So half into tan inverse x. So from here, we can easily find out dy by dx is equal to half, that is 1 plus x square. Math is done. Okay, it's not hard. Have a copied. Number 6. Y is equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x by 2 whole to the power half. Talk to me. You can or you cannot. I have to know. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
1 plus cos theta by 2 whole to the power half. So y equals to what? What is the formula of 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2 by 2. Is it or not? So we are getting 2 omitted, and this power half and this 2 will be omitted. That is y equal to cos inverse cos theta by 2. Okay. This power half and this is power 2 will be omitted. So we are left with theta by 2. That means half theta, half theta. That means half cos inverse x. Okay. So we have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square. So math is done. Okay. You should not be afraid of seeing the math. Next question, number 7. Y is equal to tan inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. Can you do it? Number 1, you can or you cannot. If you can, I'll not do. As I told you, if you see any root over this type, you have to let x equals to, can you remember? Sin theta or cos theta. Okay? Now you put the value y equals to tan inverse sin theta. It is root over 1 minus sin square theta. That means we are getting tan inverse sin theta by cos theta. Okay? It is what? Tan inverse tan theta. So we are getting theta. Theta equals to what? I think you can do it, right? Theta equals to what? Sin inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Next math. Number 8. Y equals to tan inverse 1 by root over x square minus 1. Okay, do it. Carry on. I want to see who can do. You see, that if I put here x equals to sin theta, we cannot get our answer. But if I put x equals to sec theta, then we can get something. I have taken sec theta because there is relation between tan theta and sec theta. Okay, in the formula. So we can write down here tan inverse 1 by root over sec square theta minus 1. Is it? Talk to me. That is tan inverse. It is what? Tan theta. So we can get here cot theta, right? It is sec square theta minus 1. That is equal to tan square theta. So root tan square theta, that means tan theta. 1 by tan theta equals to what? Cot theta. Now what is to do here? Can you please let me know? Who can tell me? I need tan. I don't have any other option. I need tan. So that is pi by 2 minus theta. Is it? So we are getting here y equals to pi by 2 minus theta. Theta means what? Theta means what? Sec inverse x. Is it? Now can you please let me know what is the differentiation of sec inverse x? It is 0 minus, let me know. What is the formula here? What is the differentiation of sec in?
X root x square minus 1.
Again. Let me know again.
So 1 by x root x square minus 1.
Okay. So we have got this answer. It is our answer. Number 8. Next, 2 tan inverse 2 tan inverse root over x minus a by b minus x. Okay, do it. Similar type of math I did today and yesterday. It is homework. You will try. If you fail, I will do. Then number 10. Y equal to tan inverse 1 by root over 1 minus x.
So এটা পারবো স্যার।
Sorry? You
স্যার
cannot.
এটা পারবো।
I'm not getting you. Parba ki parba na. Number 11. Cot inverse 1 plus x square minus x. Here you let x equals to cos theta. Then you can do the math. Important math. Question number 12. Y equal to sine inverse 1 minus x square by. Can you do it? Important math. You do it. Let x equals to tan theta. So we are getting y equals to sine inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is y equals to, what is the formula? Let me know what is the formula. Cosine 2 theta. Can you remember yesterday's formula? It is cos 2 theta formula. Now sine inverse cos 2 theta, what we can do? Sine of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. The interesting fact is that I can go here from this. Now we are left with, or we can write down here, y equals to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. That is y equals to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Value of theta. That is dy by dx. It is 0. It is minus 2 by. I think you have got it. This is the answer. Okay. Talk to me. Question number 7-1. Y equals to tan inverse x square by ex plus tan inverse Can you do it? Write down the formula is, write down all of you. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. It is another formula. Okay. Suppose you can tell me how this formula has been introduced. Very good. Write down formula proof. Write down tan inverse x equals to a. Then we get tan a equals to x. You write down tan inverse y equals to b. Then we can write down tan b equals to y. Okay. Now, by this time, we all have come to know of the formula tan of a plus b. Can you please let me know what is the formula of tan of a plus b?
Sir, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan. I think all of you know it, right? Can you please let me know from here? Can you write down a plus b? This tan will be taken to the right hand side. So we'll get tan inverse tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Can you write down? Talk to me. Now you let me know what is the value of A. A is what? A is tan inverse X. Write down tan inverse X. What is B? B is tan inverse Y. It is tan inverse. Write down tan inverse. Tan A is X. It is Y. It is 1 minus XY. You see, tan A is X. Tan B is Y. I have put the value. So we have got the formula that I have written here. Is it okay to all? And vice versa. Vice versa means it is applicable also for minus, negative sign. If it is negative, then it is negative, it is positive. It is negative, it is positive. It is negative, it is positive. Okay? Suppose it is negative. Then answer will be it is negative, it is positive. Now you see, we can write here y equals to, what is the formula? Tan inverse x plus y. Tan inverse x, this is x plus y, this is y. Right? Talk to me. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Is it? Is it the formula? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So what you're getting here? It is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is, it is infinity. So what is meant by infinity? Let me know. Tan inverse tan
90.
pi by 2. That means only pi by 2. But we have to find the derivative of y, that is dy by dx, is equal to what? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 0. We don't have any x, so it is 0. And we are right. Have you got it or not? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 2. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to sine inverse x, okay, plus sine inverse 1 minus x square. Can you do it? It can be done very easily. Okay, will I do? It can be done in normal way that you have come to know x equals to sine theta. Then let me know y equals to sine inverse sine theta plus sine inverse root over 1 minus sine square theta. So we are getting it is theta and it is sine inverse cos theta, right? That means theta, it is sine inverse sine pi by 2 minus theta. Theta plus pi by 2 minus theta. That is pi by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 0, and it is our answer. But I could do it in the previous two methods. Please try to understand. Have you got it? All of you. But I have tried, okay, to introduce you to different items, but it was vast. Y is equal to tan inverse, the important math, but the easiest one, the most important in this exercise. 1 minus cos x, and it is 1 plus cos x. Do it. You please do it.
Sir, half আসছে answer.
2 sin square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2, tan x by 2. Are sure?
First,
Yes, you are right. What's about others?
স্যার আমারও হাফ আসছে।
So is it that I have to do it? Where are the other students?
আর পড়ার দরকার নেই, হাফই আছে।
Okay, but where are the other students?
স্যার হাফ।
Have you got me? You are only 7 in numbers. Oh, Korno is not here.
স্যার আমি
Then your
Sir.
friend.
স্যার ছিল, একটু আগে লিভ করেছে।
Okay. Now, it will be 2 sin square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2. So its answer is half. Okay. I'm going to see the answer. Yes, the answer is half. Number 82. Tan inverse root over 1 minus x by, okay, do it. Can you do it?
স্যার এটা ইকুয়াল টু y না?
Of course it is equals to y. Y equals to this. Can you do it? What will you do? Let me know. Tan inverse root over,
স্যার এক্স কে সাইন ধরবো,
not sine.
কস ধরবো, কস।
X equals to cos theta. Then have you seen this is the previous math? Have you got me?
স্যার
We are getting the previous math or not? It is what? Root over 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2, right? 2 to omitted tan theta by 2. So we are getting tan inverse tan theta by 2. Actually, this was our previous math. So y is equal to theta by 2. That is half cos inverse x. Okay. So dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square. Actually, up to this, it is the previous math. Okay, and yes, it is right. Then going to the next math, the most important math of this exercise. Now I am going to do. All of you are ready? Okay. Okay, you see number 3. Y is equal to 2 tan inverse. Sorry, at first sine. It is sine. Then it is 2 tan inverse. 2 tan inverse. Okay, root over 1 minus x. Are you getting me?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
X equal to cos theta. Okay, do it. Carry on. Sine 2 tan inverse root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, right? is equal to sine 2 tan inverse. What will be this value? Root over 2 sine square theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. Sine 2 tan inverse, let me know. 2 will be omitted. It is tan square theta by 2. That is tan theta by 2. Okay. That is, we are getting here y equals to y is equal to sine 2 into theta by 2. So 2 will be omitted. So we are left with sine theta. Okay. Is it or not? Now, what is the value of theta? Theta is cos inverse x sine. I mean, all the formula of inverse and everything and trigonometry are in this math. Okay. Now you see, we are not done yet. What I told you, you have to write sine inverse. Let me know. Pi by 2 minus x. Is it? Which is equal to pi by 2 minus x dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Our math is done. Sine, now draw the figure. It is not cosine, it is cosine inverse x. So cosine inverse x, it is based by hypotenuse, right? X by 1. So it is what? Root over?
Sir, answer ki 1.
No. Please, it is not that. So it is root over 1 minus x square. Please try to understand.
So
Now you see it is sine inverse perpendicular by hypotenuse. That is root over 1 minus x square. Talk to me now.
আর এই লাইনটা কোন লাইনের পর থেকে লিখবো?
After this line. Dear students, you please listen to me. Cosine x can be written sine of pi by 2 minus x. But here it is cos inverse x. It cannot be written. Have you got me? Okay. So we are getting here y equals to root over 1 minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to half 1 minus x square minus half d by dx 1 minus x square. That means it is 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square into it is minus 2x. 2 will be omitted. So our answer is minus x by, this is the answer. Yes, you are right. So in all math, we have about 10 formula that I have used. Okay. Talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Okay. It's not so easy as you are thinking. Before every exam, you will do this math minimum 10 times at home. Now, similar type of math. Question number 9. Similar math. Y equals to sine to the power 4 cot inverse root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Can you do it? Same way, in this format, it is the format to let x equals to cos theta. Always remember this. This format means x equals to cos theta, nothing else. So you carry on. Y equals to sine to the power 4 first bracket cot inverse root over 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Talk to me. That means y equals to sine to the power 4 cot inverse. It will be what? 2 cos square theta by 2 to sin square theta by 2. Can I write down equals to cot theta by 2? All of you, please. I mean, if we put it into formula 2 cos square theta by 2, right? Here it will be 2 cos square theta by 2, and here it is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 will be omitted, root and a square will be omitted. So we'll be left with cot theta by 2, right? Now you see, we are getting sine 4 theta by 2. Talk to me. Now, we can write here y is equal to sine, it is 4 theta. Theta means what? Cos inverse x. This is half into cos inverse x. Now do it. Now you have to do this math. Here, it is half cos inverse x. So what is to do? You please try to understand, or you can do it at home. Suppose half cos inverse x. Suppose it is theta, right? That is, we are getting cos inverse x equals to 2 theta. Okay. That means cos inverse 2 theta is equal to x, right? You please try to understand. Cos inverse 2 theta equals to x. So we can write here sine 4 theta. Talk to me. It is half cos inverse x equals to what theta? Okay. So sine 4 theta.
স্যার ইনভার্স উঠে যেত না
Not getting you.
স্যার কসটা অন্য সাইডে গেলে স্যার ইনভার্সটা উঠে যেত না
Oh, I am wrong here. I'm sorry. It is this cos 2 theta equals to x. Is it okay now?
ইয়েস স্যার
I'm wrong here, please. Cos 2 theta equals to x. Okay. Now you see sine 4 theta. What can be written here? Sine 4 theta means what? Sine square theta whole square. Is it? Or not?
ইয়েস স্যার
So from here we can write down 1 minus cos square theta whole square. But you see, we have cos 2 theta. So we cannot put this value. So we have to put in this way. You see, we can write down here half into 2 sin square theta, right? Now it is a formula including cos 2 theta. That means 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. Am I right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
So we can put this value. This is half into 1 minus, you see, 1 minus, let me know, cos 2 theta. Right? Talk to me, please. Now the math has been done. You know the value of cos 2 theta, right? Hello. Is equal to what? It is half. So we can write down 1 by 4. 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to what? X. So 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is the value of cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to X. Is it? That means 1 by 4 into 1 minus 2x plus x square. Okay. So we are getting here dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4. It is 0 minus 2 plus 2x. So it is equal to 1 by 4 2x minus 2. So if I take 2 common, then we are getting here what? X minus 1. X minus 1 by 2. What is the answer? It is the answer. I don't know why they have written it. I really don't know. It is the answer, but they have written this. Have got it?